Codeaarambh is just in growth phase, and I think with your true visions and ideas which you will put in today's session, your core expertise will help us and will guide us to build Codeaarambh to the next future. Thank you. Now we'll pass on to Jyoti again.
Thank you, Dhapan. Now I would like to now request to both the founders and co-founder to kindly drop the testing application link in the meeting chat so participants can begin exploring the platform.
See you, go for it.
Rikta, are you adding or should I?
I am adding. You just drop the link.
Okay. You dropped. I have some technical issues here.
Okay, sure. Just wait a second.
And let me tell you guys again that it's a testing phase, and we were working on our on database, but due to the some technical error, we could not integrate it right now. So we are using Firebase free tier. So if any error occurs, something like limit reached, so please uh, look it out
Yeah,
and
please
cooperate.
look it out and help us because we are in a testing phase. So the link is dropped down. You can check it out.
So, as Dhapan has already dropped the link, now to all our testers, your honest feedback is extremely valuable to us. Please share your reviews, suggestions, and experience directly in the chat during the session. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. Our panelists are fully ready to answer and interact with you.
Okay, let me drop the link once more since more participants are joining right now. Okay.
Could you make that auto join?
Okay. I have done that, but right now I have to drop the link once more since lots of people are joining right now.
What you do is just give it and pin it. Pin the link.
Okay. So is it visible?
Yes.
Okay.
Uh, give that referral code as well. Rathi Ghosh, hello. We are giving that premium subscription for free for some months as you are taking part in this testing session. So uh, you will get it in some moments.
So can you go for a free for now, Roti? We will be dropping down soon the redeem code, and you can use it for the premium as well.
Okay, let me show you how it works, uh, how to proceed to testing. So let me share my screen and help you guys out.
Okay.
Uh, is my screen visible?
Yes, it is visible.
So just go to the link we provided and you will be in page something like this. And here are the every introduction and all. You can check it out. Here are the features pages, templates pages. These templates are pre-built pages like landing page, admin dashboard. Like they will help for you as a beginner. And here is pricing, and you can claim from here that by using referral code. And here is docs, and here are the enterprises for various like for school and colleges, for startups and for companies. And yeah, so about the feature, let me explain about the features. uh, AI app generation, yeah, this is our main features. And browser code editor, like we have inbuilt code editor, you don't have to use external code editor for this. And we have live preview also inbuilt, and similarly terminal for running commands like npm install, npm run dev, etc. And git, you can do github integration directly from here. You can pull the projects, push the project to github, and AI debugging and secure workspace. And yeah, so let's just go to sign in or get started. Since you are the new user, just go to get started and generate a web app, and you'll go to
Sajan,
this
can you
login
just
portal.
repeat once more? I think there was some kind of buffering over your side.
Oh, sorry for that. Should I start from features or
Yeah, you can start from features.
so? Yeah, I was talking about the feature, and there are lots of features like AI app generation. This is our main feature, and yeah. And in the feature is our browser code editor. You don't have to use external code editor for this. You just get our code editor inside our app, and similarly live preview. You don't have to use another tabs. You will just get live preview here, and terminal commands. You can run various terminal commands like npm install, npm run dev, and various others here. And similarly, we are working on GitHub integration. Like you can pull and push the code directly to the GitHub, and yeah, AI debugger and secure workspace.
And specifically, adding to that, we have a few new projects as well. We are planning to provide capsule modules. Like you must have heard, like in production ready codes, like when you go for higher level of programming and you start for big startups and companies, you need to work in super high level of codes like 1000 codes, 1500 level codes. So for that we are adding capsule modules. So the reason is AI can't write a 1000 level code. AI has to write in slow. So we are adding capsules so that you can store your data and in that capsule, and then you can continue from that part of the code further. Also, we are planning another module, which is we are testing it out right now. That is, if you have any issues with your code or you are having an existing project, so you can put it in our website, and we build it again from scratch, or you can modify it according to your wish so that your project runs perfectly as it was. So this was our beta version, which we will
विस्तारै
add
बोल्नु न
further. So you can
इभेन्ट
just try it out now. All onto yours. Please try it out and give us honest views of your.
Okay, so yeah, you can read other details like privacy policy and terms of condition from here. There are hyperlinks in the footer. And okay, so yeah, we can go to the login page. So just go to get started, and here is free version and here is paid version. And as I said, today we are giving paid version for free. So just go to claim and you'll get it directly. Okay,
Wait, we will reveal it later. Wait, at the end we are. There's a
okay,
surprise first. This one
okay.
will be revealed later. So just try your peak once and all. We will specially for this panel we have decided to give this redeem code at the end. So just
Okay.
for now you can start with the free trial and we will provide it in the end.
Okay, so just let me show you from free tier. So you can continue with Google, you can continue with GitHub, but we suggest you to continue with GitHub for project. Like in future, you will push and pull project from GitHub, so it will be easier. You don't have to sign in again. So yeah, just continue with GitHub. You will get some login. As I have
Okay,
already
the
logged in, you
question
will.
has arrived. Which language does it support?
It's let me show you. I'm coming to that topic.
Okay.
Okay, so when you just go to so you will get this page. Like I have a lot of testing projects here, you will get nothing here. So just go to new project and you can see admin panel here. You won't get it, this is just for me. And yeah, so you can give any project name here like login page. And this is also description. Okay, this is not prompt, here it is written prompt, but this is just description. I'll add it later that this the anything you write here just go will go to this prompt. Okay, anyways, currently our platform supports this language: React, White plus
White and
Tailwind,
Tailwind.
and React.js for backend, Flutter app, and Vue.js, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, static HTML page, and Python, Django, Fast API, Node.js, Express backend, and blank project. Like in blank project, you can decide your own after going to the workspace. So now I'm selecting just HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and description. You can write anything for now, and just go to
So
create.
we are not considering anything as competitors right now. Right now, we are fully focused on developing our startup because it's in growth phase. And yeah, in future there will be competitions, but we don't think if we plan on making it a future ready and scalable project, so I don't think any competition will matter to us anyway. But thanks for asking the question. Highly appreciate that.
Okay, let me continue. So after going to the workspace, you will just come here, and this is our visual designer. Like you have seen the app called Figma. So this visual designer is just inspired by Figma. You can directly edit anything like coloring, pictures, text, and fonts from directly from here. And this is your preview. You can start preview from here. It will take some time to load. Yeah. So hello code Aram, and here's your coding part. Like here is the index. Here written hello Codeaarambh, so it's coming here. And yeah, here is script. Here is style. This is just pre-made. And here is your chat. So you can directly give your prompt here, like build me a simple login page, and it will work, and it will directly generate code here. And here is your AI workspace. You can choose LLMs to take your prompt from here directly. And currently, it supports only four languages. This Mistral, this is DeepSeek version 4 Pro, and this is GLM 5.1, and this is DeepSeek version 4 Plus. So in future, we are adding lots and lots of LLMs here. And here is system prompt. Like you can add anything system prompt here. Like suppose don't use comments in code. Don't use
You
comments.
can customize the prompt as you wish, according to your criteria. The prompt we will write, we will generate it that way. And okay, Sadhan, please continue.
Yeah, you can add system prompts here, and we have another system prompt as well, which is hidden for now. And yeah, and this is our, we are working in this feature that is security checking. Like AI generates code, AI generate codes, but it gives lot of bugs, lot of security faults. So this another LLM will check that if the code has any security error or anything. Okay, the LLM request timeout after 60 seconds. So this here is one bug. Okay, what happening is, like it's sending the prompt to the LLM, but LLM did not the, the the result generated by LLM
Yes,
could
yes.
not deliver here at 60
Yeah,
seconds.
yeah.
Yeah. So this will be fixed as we will migrate to our own database, and we are using Firebase for testing purpose, so it's not been using here. So yeah, we are getting this bug. If it means the AI is giving heavy project, so it's not working here as we are just in testing phase. If we ask it for small projects, it will give. So yeah, that was all. And here are the integration part. Uh, you can integrate Firebase directly from here for authentication and hosting and speed and Firestore. Like Firestore is database, the same database we are using in this app. And here is saying connection error because this feature has not been implemented yet. And here is save to drive. You can directly save the projects in your drive. And here is publish to GitHub. And here is download the source code. Here is build APK. So yeah.
Sadhan, do we have a small project work done? Any small project work we have?
Yes, I have. I
So
think
yeah,
this one
so then
is
it will be better.
uh no, this isn't. I just tested one project from here. Yeah, I think this is. Wow, it does not have index file.
Great. It will actually help us. Right now, they will see it.
Yeah. So yeah, this is how it gives response. Like I asked it to generate a simple login page. So it gives, it was planning stage, you can see, and here is coding stage and execution stage. There are three stages. And here are the generated file. Style.css, script.js, and index.html. I don't know what glitch is here. That index.html did not compile properly. Yeah.
So okay, you can just go through our app. Any design errors or any you think UI needs to be fixed or anything else, whatever you feel like, you just tell us in the chat box. Till then, we are just muting ourselves. Just you go for it.
Okay, so yeah, you can
So,
see here, I just asked for index.html file. It again went to planning stage, coding stage, and execution stage, and it gave me index.html file. So I can have preview here. Uh, why is it? Why is
wait, wait,
rendering previous one?
wait. I think it's linked. Wait, yeah, it's done. No,
Why is it still rendering the previous one?
that
So
one
yeah,
means
this
it's
so
linked.
yeah, this kind of bugs we are expecting today.
Yeah, that's it. Check it out.
It's completely normal as we are in
Yeah,
just testing phase. We don't guarantee the execution will work today.
but
But
yeah, it
yeah,
works.
after launch we guarantee. But terminal is not been implemented yet. Has not been implemented yet. Like it was running terminal before, but due to some error, technical error, I removed the terminal for testing. So I think we are ready for some questions, and yeah,
Yeah,
there are a lot of glitches here today. Like it was working in our database, but due to some technical error, I had to remove my database. Like I was using Supabase, but due to some technical error, I had to remove it for this testing purpose.
but we
At
can
the
guarantee during the
and it
launch
was
it will be
and the fun
perfect.
fact the fun fact is it was just 5 minutes before this event. I did it. So we expect lot and lot of bugs.
So please, you just check out our app application. It's right now live. Check it out. Until then, I'm just sharing a screen of our project.
Yeah. You can check not only coding, you can check other features, other hyperlinks and all. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we'll surely provide terminal and we'll work on everything before launch. As you all know, the launch is on 29th May. So yeah, get ready for it.
Thank you so much, both our founder and the co-founder, for explaining everything so beautifully and giving us such a detailed walkthrough of Codeaarambh. I am sure everyone present here now have much a clear understanding of the platform, its vision, and how it is going to help students in their learning journey. And with that, we have finally reached the concluding part of our today's session. As promised at the beginning of the session, we are sharing an exclusive referral code specially for all the participants who attended today's testing event.
Sajan, do this.
So give referral code in chat. I don't know how to pull out the chat by the way. Yeah.
Okay, you give me. You give me. You give.
Okay. So you might be thinking where to use that referral code. There we'll just give option after launching and just write that referral code there and you will get premium for 1 to 2 months. Oh, let me tell you what are the difference between free tier and premium tier. I forgot to tell that.
Okay, somebody said yes, small few issues on the onboarding page as this. Yeah, these are the bugs which we're talking about. Right now we
Yep.
are having bugs because we just converted from Firebase to Superbase, and for that reason they are having some issues. So we will resolve it before launch, and as soon as we launch it, we will you will see there will be no bugs at all. So yeah, I just want an overview how you feel about our app at the first look you see. So give us an overview, and we will work on it again. But thank you for your review. I appreciate that.
So yeah, the difference between free version and plus version you all can see in the screen. In free version, you can only work on 3 projects per day. It means you can only prompt 3 projects. The prompting is unlimited, like you have unlimited tokens, but only in 3 projects. 3 projects per day. Like if you prompted in one, and if you prompted it another, and if you prompted in next one, you can and after that you can't make another project or you can't prompt other projects in free version. And standard speed generation, like we don't guarantee faster AI generations. And similarly, default AI model access, like you will only get access to some of the AI models, like 4 to 5 AI models. And in plus version, we'll give at least 50 plus AI models. And yeah, live workspace preview and basic starter templates you can see here, and
All
community
right.
support. Is this? Okay, anyways, in plus version you will get unlimited project creations per day. You can work on lot and lot of projects, like unlimited project per day. There are no limits. And prioritize high speed generation, like if 80 people are using this platform at once, you might get trouble of queuing. But you, if you are using plus version, you won't get the problem of queuing. And advanced AI models unlock, as I said, you will get 50 plus model access. And advanced template collections, priority visual custom editor like Figma. This I will give in free version as well, but limited. And direct GitHub synchronization. This is also available for free version, but not unlimited, just limited. And continuous auto saves to save storage. Like in free version, you have to continuously save your project as you work in it. Like you have to save it in Drive or anything. But in plus version, it will automatically be saved. And we have another plan that is enterprise or custom. In this, you can work. You like lots and lots of people can work on one project at
Like in
once.
collaboration, people working collaboration, there will be manager and admin access. Customers will develop their usage limits. Means according to their usage limit, customers can modify their requirement, and with that, the pricing will be varying according to that. And there will be training support, 24/7 support for that. We will customizely, and we will be in this custom pack. We will be monitoring each and every action which we are going on. So this one will be a bit pricier than the rest, but overall it's what the plan. So you can also try this out, and this is a beta feature. We will soon add the pricing to this. So then you can continue after that.
Okay, so here are some frequently asked questions. So, can I use Codeaarambh for free? Yes, you can absolutely. Is there any cost during soft launch? No, there is zero cost. Like you can use free version. And is my code private? And yeah, it's very private. And yeah, can I export my project? You can export it in GitHub, Drive, or directly in your local file. And does Codeaarambh supports GitHub? Yes, it does. And can I cancel anytime? Yes, you can cancel anytime after taking once. So yeah, that was it.
Before we conclude, just I want to share a PPT for a brief understanding of how our project would look in the future. So yeah, just wait a second. Is my screen visible?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Welcome to Codeaarambh, empowering the future through AI innovation. We are building the next generation of AI-powered tools to accelerate learning, amplify productivity, and redefine human interaction with technology. The world is moving fast, and many are being left behind. AI tools are fragmented and complex. Students lack structured AI learning paths, while professionals struggle with siloed productivity tools. Organizations face slow and expensive enterprise AI adoption. Our solution is one platform with infinite possibilities. Codeaarambh is an integrated AI SaaS ecosystem built to democratize AI access and accelerate skill development. The Codeaarambh platform has three core products. Aarambh Learn, an adaptive AI education platform. Aram Board, an intelligent productivity suite, and Aram Enterprise, a white label API first AI infrastructure for organizations. We are targeting a $500 billion plus market. The conditions are perfect for growth, with affordable compute and a global hunger for AI skills. India is our primary market, with over 500 million students and 15 million developers. Our multi-layered SaaS business model generates compounding growth through multiple revenue streams. These include freemium to premium subscriptions, enterprise licensing, API and white label usage-based pricing, and certification and credentials. Codeaarambh has strong early momentum, generating significant traction pre-launch with zero paid acquisition. We have over 12K waitlist signups, 3 enterprise letters of intent, 40 plus active beta users, and 5 committed university partners. We are redefining the competitive landscape. Codeaarambh is the only platform that connects learning, productivity, and enterprise deployment in a single intelligent ecosystem, with a focus on the underserved global South market. Our team is led by deeply technical founders Sajan Rai and Dwipayan Sarkar, with complementary expertise in AI, product design, and go-to-market strategy. We have experienced advisors and an engineering team from top-tier tech companies. Join us in building the AI
Exchange.
platform of tomorrow. We are raising a pre-seed round of $750,000 to accelerate product development, scale our engineering team, and launch our first enterprise pilots. The future belongs to those who build the tools that shape it.
So yeah, this was what our future looks like. This will be our future. So for that we are already have started it pretty well, and now let's see what the future leads us to. So
One more frequently asked question.
okay, okay,
Like,
sure,
is
sure,
there?
sure.
Like, what about the environmental variables? Like, you provide various environmental variables, their like your secrets, your API keys, and all. And how do we handle it? So your every environmental variables or secrets are just stored in your browser case only. They are not being delivered to us, and it will only work on that app, and it won't be visible in database or anything. So yeah, it's completely safe, and yeah, that was it. Yes, please read them. Do you have any question? So any question, please? Rathi Ghosh.
I already asked a question in chat box. Can you please answer it?
Doipan, can you read it?
Mine also.
Oh, that one. Do you have any feature that I draw system architecture and yeah, that one?
Yeah, we are adding in that. You saw that visual one. We are working on it. That feature is not has not been implemented yet, but it will be in that visual one, visual designer one. It's
Any more
not
questions?
available yet.
Yeah. So any more questions, Jyoti?
Pardon?
I guess not then.
Okay, then I ask another question. You ask
Yes, please.
Okay.
Figma. You tell me the Figma part is available in your code base.
Yes.
What about I import the Figma design from Figma platform and import here? And you know the Figma give me the static and demo data. Does your
Yes.
code base handle it properly? If give the system architecture as well as the database architecture and the drawing, does your code base handle it properly?
Well,
And one more, I as a app developer, I want a mobile app and web app. If I focus on system architecture, does it also help in mobile app also as well as web?
Okay.
okay, yes, it does help. First of all, it does help in both mobile apps and web apps, as we are providing and lots of other uh, languages. We can say languages like React Native and other as well. So yeah, and what was another question?
But for mobile, the if I download Android Studio
Yes,
and there needs lots of RAM hungry,
yes.
does your web handle it properly?
Yes, it does handle properly. As I said, we are actively working on our database. So as the database work is finished, it will completely handle all the RAM works and everything directly. And your first question was, what was it?
Okay, let me see with the first question what he asked. Um,
Figma one. Okay. So yeah, that you just gave us a very good idea, I would say. Like we were not thinking about it. We can just export Figma and directly uh, upload
integrate
to
with
our app. Yeah. So yeah, we'll work on that feature. It's just good idea. So you can provide lots of ideas like this.
yeah. Any more ideas? It's well appreciated. Please.
One more that when I search your website, you mentioned one section is website and another
Yes.
part is web app.
Yes.
So the web app is the PWA or the mobile app section.
I didn't understand the question, by the way.
In your website, there is
Richter, can you reply?
Okay, let me ask this. Can you repeat the question once more, Ruti?
अरे वेबसाइट है तो उधर वेबसाइट है একটা एक था ना जो वेबसाइट का था और एक वेब ऐप का था।
Hmm.
वेबसाइट तो मुझे समझ में आ गया जो वो एक काम कर रहा है मेरे को वेब ब्राउजर में और ब्राउजर में काम करेगा। तो वेब ऐप क्या पीडब्ल्यूए है प्रोग्रेसिव वेब ऐप और क्या मोबाइल सेक्शन के लिए है वही मैं पूछ रहा हूँ।
प्रोग्रेसिव के लिए भी है, मोबाइल ऐप के लिए भी है, लेकिन उसको टेक्सटिंग फेज में अभी हम लोग मोबाइल ऐप इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं किया है। और दैट अभी मोबाइल ऐप के लिए जो करना है आर्किटेक्चर, उसको हम लोग अभी मतलब अभी ये वेब बेस्ड है, उसको आर्किटेक्चर को अभी कंबाइन करके फिर हम लोग वेब ऐप में उसको इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं। अभी के लिए वो नहीं है, एप्लीकेशन अभी हम लोग कुछ नहीं किया। अगर करते तो अभी प्ले स्टोर में।
No. We do have mobile app. Like
राइट नाउ वी आर
he's
राइट नाउ
asking,
आर वी
can we make mobile app or not? Yeah.
Yeah, he is telling about that only, but we are having web application. But are we going to launch it right now in Play
Yes.
Store? That is,
Yes. Oh no. He's asking for mobile app version of this Codeaarambh.
yeah.
No. Not right now. We'll launch in Microsoft Store instead, but not in App Store or Play Store right now.
Another one in the starting of meeting when you give me the link I already entered and I think I made a portfolio and I prompt given and this is still the show me the thinking. Can you give me the approx time that it generate? Then I
Uh,
need to chunk the prompt accordingly.
Well, I was just walking. I was just before this event. I was walking on a feature like you can turn on and turn off thinking one. Like you can directly turn off that thinking one to generate fast responses.
Okay,
Like
thank
for
you.
heavier project you will turn on, and for smaller project you can directly turn off.
Okay, I got a question. Somebody is asking that if a project is created, how can we delete it? Somebody is asking that.
Yeah.
So
Isn't there a button to delete it?
I think I let's check it out. I didn't see
There
that.
might be UI error. I had provided
Yeah.
that button.
Okay, that we will resolve it anyway. That's
Yeah.
not a big deal right now. We can just snap it.
We still have 1 week in our hand, so we'll improve everything and ready to go.
Yeah, and somebody is asking the landing page. Okay,
Okay,
just a minute. Let
Rhythm
me read
one.
it out.
How will you launch it and compete with other big giants? So, Richter, will you give or
You just say I am reading just a comment right now. I will just read it.
so? We are going to launch it as a web app and as well as I said a Microsoft app, like desktop app. So yeah, this is how we'll launch it and actively promote in our social medias. So you can follow our social medias. We are also available in LinkedIn. And how do we compete with other big giants? So other big giants like Codex, Cloud AI, they take a lot of charge for tokens.
Okay,
Tokens.
tokens.
Yeah, my bad. So yeah, we have just rupees 200 per month. So yeah, I think this is how we can compete with big giants and lot and other big giants like Codex, Cloud. They are just providing the CLI. It will just work in your terminal, but we are giving you entire workspace, entire preview, and everything in our app. So yeah, this is how we can compete.
But in anti-gravity, there are also UI present, and
Well,
if
well,
you use it, then you also know that I can switch the Claude, then GPT, then Gemini also.
If you see the recent Google update, I think it's just chatting. Anti-gravity has just made you cannot see the code in anti-gravity. You can only chat with anti-gravity. I just used it yesterday or day before yesterday. I forgot. But you can now only chat with anti-gravity. You cannot
No, no,
open
it's
code
also
space.
work.
No, no, it was working like VS Code before, but let me show you here only.
Okay, yeah, you show that one first.
Uh, I might be wrong as well, but yeah, last time when uh, is my screen visible?
Yeah, it's visible.
Wait,
You can cross it also.
this. Okay.
You
Okay,
can
no
cross
need.
it
Okay,
also.
just yeah, that one.
Loading anti-gravity. See here. It has just given the chat one. I can open folder here, but I cannot see the code. It will just walk on that folder and it will give. So I have to go on VS Code for it to check if the file is edited or not, how it is edited and all. So yeah, before it was before it was, but
So
in
I
the
hope,
recent update.
yeah. So please cope up with our answers because we are not professionals right now. So our answers may sound immature or something, but if you just try to understand it like that, because we don't have that much of professional exposure or experience to tell you that way, but we are trying on our level best to implement that as well.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And another question
Another
is,
another question I ask.
uh, please
You
wait a
said
second.
okay.
There are already many options in the market, so why should we use this? So yeah, this is the same answer I gave. Other provide CLI and take higher fees, but we take lower fees, and even our free version is very enough for you to work on projects. As I said, there are no token limits, and you can work on 3 projects. So yeah, and uh, in other tools like Claude and other, just understand I'm not that professional. Yeah, there are a lot of security issues like your APIs are being exposed in GitHub. But as I said, we have another security checking AI as well in our AI workspace. So yeah, this is why you should choose Code Arambh.
So our code Arab is the future, and we are making it even more future proof. For that, just stay tuned with us. Our launching date is on 29th March, and yeah, now Jyoti will just conclude this.
And can I
Ratri
ask
goes
one more
question.
question? Can I ask one more question?
Yes, please.
You
Yes,
said
please.
you said
Okay, okay.
you said three projects that you give
Yes,
me in free version,
yes,
and there I can prompt it unlimited time,
yes,
right? You know that tokens are limited things, and AI needs tokens, and big
yes,
companies also need tokens. And I hope you use DeepSeek. They also use token.
yes,
How you give unlimited prompt to a user, and suppose your code haram scale to 1 lakh, and 1 lakh users are more cunning. They can create one project, and under that project they can get sub project, and there you actually provide unlimited, so they can use millions of token use, and company doesn't can give millions of tokens any free at this 200 rupees. Then you must be, probably the company will ask you about money. How you handle this then?
So this is a very good questions, and for now we are expecting like 1 to 10,000 users per month. Like yeah, we are just expecting for 1 to 10,000 use. And if we went to that scale like 5 lakhs, we will also have some fundings. We'll also earn something, and we can work on Codearam actively. So that's just future.
Yeah, and there everything is after funding. We also have jugars which we can disclose as now. Those
Yeah.
jugars can't be
Right
disclosed.
now, right now, this whole Codearam is working on Jugars.
Yeah,
We
that's
have
true.
₹0 investment.
But we have built it. We're all in jugars, and when we start getting fundings, we will just upscale
Yes.
it little further.
Uh, Hello guys, sorry I just joined late. Can you just summarize what happened in last 30 minutes? Like just a quick summary.
Wait, Richter.
Can you share the screen of that Codearam
Okay,
page?
let
Let's
me
go extend.
share my screen again then,
Yeah.
just directly. Okay, so this is our main um, product Codaram, and this is our landing page build real apps. So here are some feature pages, like here lot of features. AI app generation, this is our main feature, and browser code editor, we give in-app code editor. You don't have to use external code editor. And live preview, you can see the live preview directly in our app. You don't
Okay,
have to.
is this something like lovable or bold?
Yeah, we can say.
So like what's the moat? Like what's the differentiating moat you guys have, which lovable and bold doesn't have?
Uh, we have lot of. I'll tell you as we'll uh, go by this project. You will know that.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, go ahead.
And as I said, terminal commands. Uh, it's not there yet, but it will be. It will be soon. It will be
Okay,
just within the launch. And GitHub integration, you can directly integrate your code to GitHub. You can pull or push the code, and AI debugging. You have secure workspace, and yeah, here are templates page. Here are already pre-made templates like landing page, admin dashboard, cafe sales, portfolio, etc., etc. And here are the pricings, free version, plus version, and enterprise version. Free version provides only 3 project limit per day. Like you can only work on 3 project. You can only prompt 3 project per day, but the prompting is unlimited. You have unlimited tokens. On yeah, and in
okay,
free
okay,
project,
got you.
yes. Okay, in free project, you can just you have limited AI model access like DeepSeek and GLM, etc. Like you have only 4 to 5 LLM access, but in plus version you have more than 50 LLM access. You can use anything anytime. Yeah. And yeah, live workspace preview, basic starter template, community discussion support, etc. And in plus version, you can create unlimited project per day. You can work on unlimited project per day. Here also you can create unlimited project, but only 3 per day in free version. But here unlimited. And in free version, you might face issue of queuing or like that. But in plus version, you won't face any issues like queuing. You will be prioritized. And yeah, other advanced AI models unlocked, advanced templates in collection, you'll get extra templates, and this priority visual custom editor. Like we have a Figma, like we have an editor like Figma. So you will
Okay,
prioritize in it, and I'll show you that. And continuous
okay.
auto saves in free version, you have to save it yourself in Drive or locally or GitHub, anywhere. But in plus version, we'll provide you the space.
Hey, listen. I got the idea of the product, but
Yes.
just can you tell me what is the differentiating feature? Like, see, if I have two options, like your platform Codaram, and
Yes.
other hand I have something like Lovable and V0, why would
Yes.
I pay for your platform? Like, what's the thing that will attract me to pay for it? Because see, you have said that you have free LLM and stuff. Basically, you are using DeepSeek, GLM, these type of models. But to
Yes.
be honest, if I'm gonna build something pretty complex or something like I want to do prompt and prompt and prompt. So for these type of workflows, LLMs like DeepSeek, GLM are not the state of the art models, right? I will
Yes.
be looking for Codex, like looking for frontier models like GPT 5.5 or Codex 5 4.1. I think you guys offered this in the Plus plan also, right?
Yeah,
As per the
we have offered 50 plus, I said. There are
okay,
a lot
okay,
and lot
make
of.
sure, make sure. Like I hope you guys are using some kind of reverse proxy like Versal ISDK or Open Router, anything maybe. Yeah, that's not the concern. But tell me, if I'm gonna build a product like something pretty complex, okay, then why I would choose your this platform over Lovable? Like, what's the more? Like, why I would choose?
Because we are cheaper, at first we are cheaper, and we provide other features as well that Lovable does not. Does Lovable have Figma like editor?
Yeah, I just can you just open V0 right now? Can you just open V0?
V0? Okay.
Okay, V0.
V0?
Yeah, yeah, V0.
Okay. Yeah.
Open it. Now just tell it to build anything. No, no, HTML.
Well, I have to
Okay,
sign
okay,
up with
makes
it.
sense. Yeah, yeah, sign in. Do sign in. Just tell it to build a portfolio website or something like that. Don't
Uh,
tell it HTML, CSS. It will spin up an XJS. It can handle pretty much stuff. Like just
okay.
give a prompt like build a portfolio website or something like that. Okay. Now just give the same prompt to your code Aram.
Okay, wait.
It will work. It will take some 3 to 4 minutes. Like you just go to your platform and just you see there is that Figma type of thing you are talking about. You can just do it also from here. The all the feature you mentioned are like in production by these apps. Also the templates, these if you guys look at these templates, the templates are better than your landing page you guys have for your main product. So that's what I'm talking about. Vercel has that community support. Vercel has that infrastructure like that. And you are saying that you are giving it for cheap prices, right? But see, you can, I know there are some kind of jugar or whatever you say, or reverse proxies you get. Like we also build AI application. But if you go to scale or hit users, you need to get some actual users. Like, if your product get real users, you will be flagged by Anthropic or Google providers. Then there is no way you need to integrate real APIs. And if you are going to integrate real API, you will hit that particular cost because you are paying something amount for X, like for the API you are paying X. You can't sell it under X now. You need to charge some more than X because your platform has some extra feature and your obviously you see this is the feature. Now there is a see like in the ask follow up there is a Figma type of button. Click on that.
Okay, let me. Where is it?
Just see ask a follow up in the right side. See there's a chat window.
Yes.
There are
Okay.
three buttons. Yeah, yeah, this
Yeah.
one. Click on that.
Yeah.
Now see, yeah, see, this is what I'm talking about. It has that editor, right? So I was talking about this. It has these kind of features. You
Yeah.
can do it. You can just reprompt it, right? I think you have something similar to your platform.
Yes.
Yeah. So I was just talking about this. So you need basically differentiating mode to like make your platform different than Lovable or Bolt.
Yes.
Because
Uh,
cost can't be the main thing because you aren't the LLM providers. You are getting provided LLMs from different providers, right? So that
yep.
can't be your differentiating mode. Your differentiating mode need to be something which you guys have built.
Uh, by the way, can it make mobile apps?
Yes.
Okay. So, what was your question? What is the difference between other platform and
Yeah.
our platform?
Yeah. There are
Yeah.
many type of see the for specifically mobile application there are kind of Stuffs like Lovable. Lovable is pretty good with mobile. Also, there's one thing called Runnable HQ. You can check about it. Also, they are pretty like Orchid's also doing great work with mobile apps. So there are huge tons of application, right?
Yes.
So you need something unique feature which can attract users. Also,
Yes.
what are your target users? That's the main question. Like, whom are you guys targeting?
We are targeting normal as well as developers, so that
As
every
I can
normal
see.
people can also make websites easily.
Okay. Okay. So your users is basically non-tech users, right?
Yes, both tech and non-tech.
Okay, makes sense. But yeah, that's the thing. Like, if I'm a non-tech user, I need specifically something which needs like which divert me to your website. That if I had four choices, जैसे तुम मोबाइल खरीदने जाते हो तो तुम्हारे पास चार ऑप्शन होते हैं. तुम कोई फीचर देख के तो कोई पर्टिकुलर मोबाइल खरीदते हो ना, तो यू नीड दैट स्पेसिफिक फीचर जो तुम्हें बताएगा. प्राइस कांट बी दैट फीचर. क्वालिटी. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इफ आई एम ए नॉन टेक यूजर, अगर मेरे को क्वालिटी नहीं मिल रही तो मैं क्या करूंगा? प्राइस प्राइस घटा के.
Well,
बात तो सही है, लेकिन हाँ, प्राइस प्राइस मैटर तो करता है, लेकिन अभी हम लोग तो स्टेज बिल्डिंग फेज में है, तो उस हिसाब से हम लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं अपने आप को, जब भी हम लोग को फंडिंग मिलता रहेगा हम लोग इसको फिर से, इसको अभी तो टेस्टिंग फेज में है, हम तो डेवलप कर रहे हैं उसको, और भी डेवलप करेंगे उसको, ताकि हम लोग इस क्राइटेरिया को भी मीट कर लें।
and
Sure,
yeah,
sure, you can just do it, but you need one specific feature. You need the thinking angle that this feature we will be developing that will differentiate us from these type of projects. Until or unless you won't be getting users. Also, I would say one thing, like just a general review, that your front end or landing page is kind of gradientish, and which is kind of looks gives the feel vibe coded. If you are building something which is something like this lovable, try to give that landing page a premium feature. Use something like Shatsi or Glassmore micro interaction, which will give like attract user that okay, this is something cool. These guys has done great work in the front end. Maybe their product is cool. They will explore rather than like when in this obviously I can understand in the building phase we mostly focus on the back end side. We don't mostly focus on the design side, but also for getting user acquisition, the front end and design matters a lot because जो दिखता है वही बिकता है वाला scene.
एकदम एकदम बिल्कुल।
Sure, sure, sure. So that's from my side. Okay. Cool guys. Nice.
Thank you
Keep
very
working
much,
on it.
it was very insightful, thank you. Very
Okay.
very insightful, thank you. Okay, Jyoti, wrap up.
well, yeah, we're done with it. But we didn't give the answer, proper answer.
No, because we are in developing phase,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
like he told,
As you
we
said,
need
that
to build
V0,
the class.
Lovable, Codex, they are very much well funded, but we are not. We are just in first stage of them. So yeah, we'll be
Yeah,
actively
that's
working on it. We'll making it better day by day. We'll introduce lots and lots of feature. We both have lots and lots of feature in our mind, and we are going to work on it. And about the UI, yeah, we have used AI for it, but yeah, we'll enhance the UI as well over time. And yeah, that was it.
okay.
I want to add something from my side for this question. First of all, the question that he asked, I totally respect his opinion. But comparison are completely normal whenever a new platform enters the market. But I think it's also important to understand that every big platform you admire today once started as a small idea only. And the thing about the uniqueness is that uniqueness is not always about investing something the world has never seen before. See, like sometimes uniqueness lies in the approach, the support, and the execution and the experience that people receive. This is the only beginning of the code Adam, and I, instead of judging it only by where it stands today, I think it's fair to also look at where it is aiming to reach tomorrow. So if you can see the same through that perspective, it would be helpful for us too and for you people too. Are you getting me what I'm trying to say?
That's why
Well,
we are
yeah, yeah.
projecting that as well.
Before Zomato, there was a platform called Food Panda.
Yeah, exactly. every big companies now is a copy of some other only, and
Yeah.
we are just of what third year students, so you can't that's compare us with that big company like
I
big
could have shared
places
something,
like
Sajan, when I
Brussels.
shared the information.
Sorry,
Will I see the cell tag?
I can't hear
You,
you.
it's no, wait, wait. So
The
yeah, we
Nepal
are third year
Codeaarambh-Pre-launch.
student, but fun fact about that, our founder is just 15 years old. He has already just marked up AI like anything. He's far more ahead of us. In third year, we are doing this, and he's in the age of 15, and he has cracked it out already. That's why I actually see
Yeah, exactly, that's the
potential.
thing
That's
that
why
I
I'm
was
joining the
trying
trade
to say.
process.
Yeah, that
So yeah,
co-
happy for that. We are already in 25, and he's in 15. He's doing this thing. Think about the future prospect. He can do much more better. That's why I see vision in him, and I started working with him. That's the main reason for it. So yeah,
Actually, it's a win for us that you are comparing as the beginning of our side or our side with the verses and everything that you are talking about. But the thing I want to say is that we are just trying to create our own space with our own vision. Okay, a platform does not become like valuable only because it is already famous. So we are at the beginner phase, and we need you people support only to make it big and everything.
Well,
yeah.
So we should.
if Google has if Google had also said this, because in that time Yahoo was ruling everywhere,
Mm,
Google would not have come here. Google would not have become this company.
exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, so sure. So yeah, that was our time. Thank you for attending this meeting. That was a lovely session. If you have any feedbacks, you can DM me personally, or
Well, one more question.
yeah.
One, not only one, there are a lot of questions in the chat. We're avoiding it. Please check it out.
Oh,
Since you
okay. Can
deployed
you take a
Code Aram on
screenshot right now?
Varsal,
I can personally DM from the Nepal side. You can the people from Nepal and other countries you can DM, and we can DM. And from India, I can just DM them. Just take the screenshot of that for now. The meeting is about to get expired. Just take a screenshot.
we have both SSR
Yeah.
front end and all, and SSD for back end. And similarly, since you deployed you in Varsal, yeah, same question. And bro, cheap and best is impossible. And if I want to stand out, I would want something very reputable like Cloud. Yeah, it's not reputed yet. We are not well known yet, but yeah, in future I think we will be, if we just do it
So basically,
constantly.
right now we are not focusing on profits. Right now we are trying to scale our business. We are trying to learn in this process, learn new things, develop new ideas. We are trying to implement. We are experimenting with our Codaram, and very successfully. When we make it stand out from the rest of the crowd, then it will surely become profitable that time. But right now we are in the building and develop phase. We are not looking for profits. We are trying to connect with the market, and also gather their ideas and respective opinion to make our Codaram excel in this field of AI. Yeah.
Right now we are just saying how can we stand in this market, in this big market.
Okay.
So yeah, and about the profit, we can get it from that premium version, and in free version also we'll do something to get profit.
Okay.
So yeah, is that
So
all?
let's wrap it up.
Should we wrap up now?
Wrap it up. Wrap it up.
Okay.
So before ending this meeting, I want to just say one last thing that the referral code that has been given to you will be available for just 1 month starting today. And also with this, we come to
No, no,
the
no, not
today's.
starting today. It's starting on the launch date,
Okay,
29th May.
okay, that's nice. And the launch date is 29th of May. We will be pleased if you all participate and we all be there with us on that day too. And with this, we came to the end of the today's session. Thank you everyone for investing your valuable evening with us and being a part of this beautiful beginning. Your presence, participation, and support truly means a lot to the entire Codeaarambh team. We hope to meet you all again with more amazing session ahead. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and have a wonderful evening, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for our side as well. This was the co-founder of Codaram, and Sajan Rai, Codaram's founder, is sitting there thinking again, exploring ideas.
Okay. And that's our time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
So thank you so much. Yeah.
Okay.